Swamiji,
Yes, which side?
Mahadeva's kitchen.
Yes, go ahead.
I have read that fluoride calcifies the pineal gland.
Yes, fluoride calcifies and builds a toxic mental setup based on third eye. So the whole third eye gets not only calcified, see, just like this eyes has a cords and bone, cords and nerves, third eye has, that gets eaten by the fluoride.
So we should avoid it.
Completely avoid it. Avoid fluoride at any cost. Please understand, just like these two eyes have a cords, CORDS, and the nerves, third eye has all those facilities. Medically, please understand, physically it is there and medically verifiable. But that gets eaten, calcified by fluoride, and the toxic mental setup gets built because of fluoride. For example, when the fluoride first settles, it creates depression, and then with the depression every day happening, it becomes a mental setup. So even if you clean fluoride by the Haritaki, cleaning this mental setup becomes one more work, because by the time it has become a sediment in our system, this thought current has become sediment in our system. So that is why this Panchakriya and completion both need to be done, and whatever you leave incomplete, that I have to blast it by the Shivaham process. With all these put together, only the third eye opens. The whole calcification has to be like acid wash need to be done. That's what I am doing with these mantras.
Most of the water in the U.S. has fluoride.
I think you should stop drinking the fluoridated water. You should get the bottled water which does not have fluoride, or you should dig borewell. Best thing is live off the grid.
Okay.
That is the best life. Now living off the grid is the best in US. You can save yourself. Please understand, no discussion amongst you. All questions here. Living off the grid, you are most safe in US. You see, living off the grid is the safest life you can live in US, because the regular supply chains are so polluted and corrupted and colluded. See, the pharmaceutical industry and the food industry, they both conspire together to keep you constantly sick. You understand?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And this whole, and these two, both corporates are, many of them are owned by the same person.
Yes. Same
And
corporation.
you should know, you don't have a choice in US news, because 90% of the US news organizations are owned by two families.
Yeah.
All of you need to be informed. Don't think you have a choice of news in US. At least in India, every news channel is owned by one political party or one businessman, corporate house. In US, whole media is owned by just 90% of the whole media is owned by just two families.
Will the Haritaki, if we keep doing
It will purify the third eye in just 2 months.
Okay.
The whole calcification will go away in just 2 months.
Okay.
Even if
All
the
right.
calcification is done for last 40 years, it will become all right in
Okay.
2 months.
Cool.
So every night, don't miss Haritaki.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Keep that as a law of the life.
Okay.
And you don't have to take more. Taking more will not help.
Okay.
The number of days only is going to help.
Okay.
See, in the night time, during your dream, Haritaki needs to be available in your stomach. Because what is in your stomach and your dream is connected.
Oh.
If you take the food which is hard to digest, you will have nightmare.
Okay.
How many of you have experienced it? If you take the food hard to digest, you will have a nightmare. So because the food in the stomach, which needs to be digested, and the dream are directly connected, closely related. Every night when you sleep, Haritaki need to be available in your stomach. The fluoride, the whole calcification will be cleared.
Okay, thank you.
Just 2 months is enough.
Okay, thanks.
Less than a teaspoon. In 3-4 days, you yourself will understand how much if you take, you are able to sleep peacefully and without running to restroom 4 or 5 times in the night. So that will take care.
Swamiji, and for capsules? For the...
I think I'll strongly recommend you take it as a powder. Why, you know, when you take it as a capsule, only the intestine experiences the benefit of the Haritaki. If you take it as a powder, this whole tube will have the healing of all the ulcer wounds. See, when you take the food which is too spicy, too hot, or alcohol, especially you said earlier you used to smoke, that creates small ulcers in the whole tube, channel. You are given a wrong belief. The smoke effect is only there in the lungs, which is not true. The effect of the smoke goes even to the stomach. Even the intestine line gets a small ulcers when you smoke. Haritaki will heal that. I know it is very difficult to put it in the mouth and drink water in the first 1 or 2 days. Complete with that, just put, and I'll teach you the technique.
Is it
And if you vomit, it's okay. Stand near the bathroom. Even if you vomit 1 day only. What about second day? How many days you can vomit? You understand? Take this as do it like a ritual. Swamiji said it. I have to do it. Guru Vak. I can't compromise on it. Because, see, the whole, from the mouth, this whole ulcer getting healed will do so much good to you. That will actually heal so many patterns also. Because the ulcer in the upper intestine and this whole tube can cause irritation and anger even by drinking a cup of water or not having the water. Even a simple thirst, you will be imbalanced. Even if you drink a cup of water, you will feel heavy. So healing the small ulcers in the line is a big help. And best thing to become friends with Haritaki, to get completion with Haritaki is in the night time just take little like a tooth powder, little by little, nicely sit happily. In the restroom, put a chair. In the bathroom, put a chair. No, put a chair in the bathroom and sit in front of the mirror. Take little by little and start rubbing with the teeth or on the gums. First you will feel like vomiting. And all the root pattern incompletion, everything will come from the root. That is okay. 1 day, 2 days, what after that what can be done? Your body will simply get accustomed.
I'll miss it.
It will become all right. You understand? See, good things always need to be practiced. Bad things come naturally. That is the way life is, what to do. See, asking you to eat in McDonald's, I don't need to give so much of education. And simply you go there. But asking you to eat healthy, how much instruction I have to give you, see? That's the way life is. I'll strongly recommend you guys to slowly move to the lifestyle of off the grid. Off the grid. In India, no problem. In India, all cities are off the grid only. Nothing is connected. We are already off the grid. So it's good. Still, we have not come under the control of the corporate companies and stream chain supplies. Sometimes I'm so thankful to our ancestors. See, in India, every 50 kilometers will have its own method of cooking. Every community will have its own method of cooking. So unique, you can never have a franchisee companies running in this country. That's one good thing we have. Neither Pizza Hut nor McDonald's can run this country. Understand, if McDonald's and Pizza Hut and Walmart, all three of them decide, they can kill the whole US by starving. They can just kill the US. But in India it can never happen. Because we are not ruled by in India, not even 0.001% eats in the chain restaurants. In India we cook and eat. And 90% of us, we grow and cook and eat. Only 10% in the city buys and cooks and eats. 90% of us, we grow and cook and eat. Because of that, see, I tell you, we go on talking about health and all that. If you see the ratio of cancer and all, if 100 persons die per 100,000 people in any disease in US, in India, the same disease death rate is only 0.8%. Less than 1%. Please understand, 0.8. 100. Where is the 100 number? Where is the 0.8? It's because we are not owned by the one franchisee or corporate company's recipes. We cook our food, we live our life, and even the pesticides which you use in the house are so dangerous for you. Actually, you plan to kill them, but you get off-killed. In India, we live with the insects. Come on, what is there? You be in one corner, we will be in one corner. Just don't come into our bed, that's all. Only the bed bug, we will clear it. Other places, you share little, we share little. You live, we live, that's all. Really. At least in my room and all, I don't do anything. I'll tell them, don't put any chemical. Just tell them to leave the place. Swamiji is staying, and that's the way we live. That's the way I'm living. Only the guests, where guests come and say, we remove the bed bugs by fumification process, whatever, with that neem oil and all that in the beds. Other than that, little bit, they let them be in one corner. You see, if you try to remove them forcibly by strong chemicals, you are going to kill yourself off. In the ashram, at least in my quarters, we use only the neem leaf every night for mosquito driving mosquitoes out. Every night I'll sit outside in my veranda and have Mahan's meeting or chatting or whatever. We put the fire and put the neem leaf, neem smoke. Try your best to be away from this mainstream corporate company products. Because how many thousands of ways they are harming you, you don't know. How many thousands of ways they are harming you, you don't know. And that's not cool lifestyle. Come on, let's live long, healthily, and live blissfully. That is life. That's cool.
Swamiji, one last question. Is feeling hungry part of a pattern also during the process?
Actually, I am burning, so that burning, you feel it as anger. I am burning. Especially it will start from below. Through this line only I am reaching you out. So it's okay.
Swamiji, deity side.
Go ahead.
I'm experiencing a lot of tight muscles and stuff throughout the whole body, especially
anger and violence also. Yeah. That is okay. Because I am pulling that pattern out, that's why it is coming.
So
both will be cleared. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
It will become all right.
Thank you.
Swamiji, here deity said, I want to tell you that this food is very easy to digest, Swamiji. Thanks. Last year, the same May 2014, the food was much, it was very rich, but it was not digestible.
Actually, those days we were franchised.
Correct, yeah.
They were feeding, but now we ourselves, see this food, please understand, I wanted to remind you guys once more, the food you are eating, the groceries, everything is organic. One. Second, the recipe as per Mahadeva's instruction in Shubha Shastra. In Kamika Agama, there is a chapter called Shubha Shastra, where Mahadeva gives around 500 recipes. One book is translated. The book translated into Tamil. The Shubha Shastra is translated into Tamil. That book is called Hindu Bhaga Shastra, which has translated 400 recipes. So all the cooking is here is done as per that recipes.
Are they adding?
Are
they adding Haritaki in every product?
No. Wherever you are supposed to add Haritaki is added. Actually, there are something where the Haritaki need to be added, but Inji does that job of digestion. Inji.
Because it is easily digestible. That's why I'm asking.
Inji is the ginger. Ginger is added. Mahadeva, you see. Mahadeva is so particular about the health. All the recipes, if you see, amazing health benefits. You are eating as Mahadeva wants us to eat. And we also translated the book. We are going to upload it freely in the website. You can download. You can practice, use wherever you want. The English translation only. We already have Tamil translation. The English translation only is done. Still I have not completely finished proofreading, but one bunch I finished. So that bunch we will upload it immediately.